is Speedy26 and I'm here playing Minecraft with my little fella, Andy 12.
Hello.
So now we're not usually gonna play, we're just gonna teach you how to get out of Nether faster. Yeah. So as you well all know, Nether is half dangerous, half useful, because useful you're gonna like you're gonna have some loads of stuffs right in there, blaze rods and magma frames and gas tiers and stuff like that. Oh no, I'm laggy. Okay, there. So first off, of course, you're gonna see some trees, like of course oak sapling.
This is the door.
There. No, don't put that. Wait a sec, guys. No,
I just making
no.
my.
Of course, if you're gonna encounter a tree, Minecraft, you want to cut it. Of course, it's one of the first steps you can do in the before you go to the Nether. I'm not like one that I'm burning the tree. No, don't do that because it's against the law. Yeah, it's just in Minecraft. But yeah, get all of the woods and leaves you want, and then second, of course, make some tools like wooden sword and stuff like that. And you're in caves or in mountains, you're gonna see some stones. Yeah, there's stones. Stones are useful because you can make other stuffs in it. And then, if you have many stones, you can craft your new weapons like stone stone pickaxe and then stone sword there. And then if you're lucky enough, you're gonna see some iron ore like this one, and mine them with just stone pickaxe and other like golden pickaxe and diamond pickaxe. So yeah, and iron pickaxe. So if you have iron, just don't this my tip, guys. Don't uh don't what do you call this? Don't make it all for armors and then stuffs and weapons. Cause your first thing you're gonna do if you see an iron is you're gonna glitch it. Like I'm gonna go create another video for glitching. So check that also. So yeah, back again. So you have so many like irons, you can make bucket. And if you see a water in a lava like that one and the 12 is doing, you can gather it and then you can make your own obsidian. So this is the technique, guys. If you see a lava right there, then for example this is the stone.
Example like this.
Put some water bucket here. Of course, don't go into the fire. Put some water bucket here. And now you can create your own obsidian. And also be careful, guys, because cobblestone is not the one that I'm saying it's obsidian.
Like
for some noobs, like all around the world here, this is the like the the skin of the texture and the skin
like
of
this.
the obsidian. Here, this one. And get it here, like this. And then if you have obsidian, I know you should mine it with diamond, I think. Yep, diamond. So if you're lucky enough to see a diamond, go and mine it. And before you do anything with it, of course you should have a chest with you, as always. And then go glitch it with a friend. I'll do it in another video. And then go glitch it until you have
or like this.
armors, like diamond armors,
Like
and then
this, and you
yes,
pick it.
that's an emerald. Okay. Like weapons and stuffs. First thing you gotta do is the diamond sword and the diamond pickaxe because it's very useful for your caving. If you want,
Yung magpasira naman.
okay, wait. If you want to, um, yeah, that's right, Annie 12. If you want to, like, go chop trees more, you make some axe. Okay, so, if you need a nether portal, just build it like um, 4 blocks, what do you call this? 4 blocks wide, I think. That should be called 4, 5. I think this is enough. Yeah, 5 blocks high.
This.
Then make it like a rectangle, angular.
Yeah, like
and
that, like that.
Should be ready. Yep, there. Come on, let's go inside. Okay. So first things first. So I read the like guide for Minecraft. My like my godfather gave me. And yeah, so it says there that you should put glass on it, around it, so the gas won't see you. So first things first, you should put glass around so yeah, the gas can see you. I know it's kinda rubbish, yeah. Gas are weak to glass, like they can't see you. Like glass is transparent, they can't see you. Yeah, so um I also have a tip. Like if we go into the nether,
Whoa!
you have cobblestone. Hey, why did you teleport back? Oh, sorry. Okay, you have cobblestone here. Just put it around your base with your windows. Cause gas, if they see you, if you accidentally like break your window, the gas won't be able to break the cobblestone. So yeah. So yeah, of course, if you're lucky enough again, and
Where
let's
are
go
you?
back. Let's go back to the overworld. If you are lucky enough, you can see this block. Oh, hey, if you're lucky enough, oh, that's a glitch. If you're lucky enough, you can see this block. It's called the redstone ore. So, might first if we're going to the nether because you're gonna need it, like that one, and then you're gonna make some compass. The recipe for the compass is like stone, I think. There, you're gonna need 4 iron ingots and then one redstone dust. Okay, so should go to the nether with a compass. I know some of you guys are gonna comment, why are you using compass in the nether even if the compass is not working in nether? Yeah, for some noobs out there, the compass is not working in the nether. Look, like this one. See? Just gonna point you. It's very useless, I know. There. It's not working. So, you're gonna explore the nether. Make sure you have obsidian with you. Like, how many obsidian is that? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11,
What?
12, 13, 14. Okay. Should have 14 obsidian with you, of course, before you go to the nether. Then some flint and steel. Then your armors, and then the compass. So, if you're gonna explore the nether, of course, you're gonna see this like structure, this one structure. Oh, where's Andy 12? Andy 12! You go here, check this out. Andy 12! Oh no, there's a gas.
Where are you?
Kinda stuck into it because of its size. Of course, you can't burn gas because they're fire resistant. I'm here in the nether. So just kill them. You don't have anything to do with it. So yeah, as a reminder guys, netherrack keeps on burning once it's lit. So make sure to turn it off if you don't want to get if you want to get rid of it. Okay, where's Andy12? Andy12, where are you? There's another.
I'm here
There's-
on a portal.
No, let's teleport here. Go now here. Oh no, there's a zombie pigman. There's a zombie pigman right there. It goes through the portal. See?
No.
Did you see the zombie pigman? Let me see. There should be a zombie pigman around here. Okay, she can see it. Hey, we're lagging here. So there, you're here now. So if you go into the nether, explore it, yeah. Come on, Andy12, here. Follow me, you might get lost. Oh yeah. Before leaving
Oh,
the portal, you should have
Lava
like
falls. I don't
torch
want lava
around you,
falls.
so or sign so you
Lava
can
falls.
remind
This lava falls.
yourself where the portal is. Just gonna
This
put
the
this
lava
one down.
falls.
Okay, so let's go to the nether portal. I mean to the nether fortress.
Where are you?
I'm here. Follow the torch. Go here! Go here! No, 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 I'm not there. I'm here. Here, here. Come on. Follow me. Okay, there. So here's the nether fortress. As you can see here. And it will have
Whoa.
here. It's huge, but I think it's not the real nether fortress. Oh yeah, this is the real. And we should go inside. Can we go inside? I want to see the inside. There, there. Come on, 12. Go in there. Oh wait. I'm just gonna destroy that. Okay, there. Yep, there. Let's put some torch so cannot get lost. I'm just putting torch like crazy. There. Okay, so
Where are you?
I'm here. Are you lost? Wait. Here! I'm here! I'm here! Right here. Can you see my screen? Here! No, not there. Here.
Zombie pigman.
There. Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna destroy this. I'm just gonna... Oh, no. It's not a real nether fortress, yeah. This fortress is gonna trick you. Come on, Anito, go here. I think this is the real one. Is it? Here, this one. This is the real one. Anito, come on here. We're just gonna mark our...
Wow. There's a...
Go here. Go here, follow me. I see my skin there. That's me. Okay, so shall we go upstairs? No, no, no. There's a blaze spawner right here. So we counter blaze right like this one. We should put like of course there's gonna be some
This not
stairs.
survival?
No,
Oh yeah. This survival.
because I know there's nether brick stairs, but I think they did not put it. So first things first, if you're gonna encounter things like this, get out of there, Andy 12. Get out of there. Okay. Put some dirt blocks here and wait for them to come here. Like, okay, come here, buddies. Come on. Oh no, they're not gonna come. Okay, so of course, if you have this spawner,
Oh my
put
god.
torches around it. so it will not spawn anything.
Ah!
Excuse me, Blaze. Okay, there. Like that one.
1, 2, 3, go! They're not moving.
Okay, there. So, oh no. Oh no. I don't care if we get lost. Just like gonna explore this. Come on, Andy 12, here. Oh, I think we're gonna parkour here. 1, 2, oh no, it's pretty high. I fall down. Superman. Okay, so here. Go up here. Here. There. Go here. I'm just gonna fly. 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 Okay, so don't care if we get lost. I think that's the stronghold. Oh no, the stronghold is... I don't know. I don't know these things. Yeah. Oh, there's a wither skeleton.
Whoa!
It's 14, but there's a wither skeleton here? No, there's not. No, there's nothing. Yes, so wither skeleton. If you encounter a wither skeleton, just pile up 3 dirts, and then it can reach you. Like if it's there, just fall it like this one. Whee, bye bye. Yeah, he's trying to swim in the hot tub.
Wow, airplane! Airplane, airplane.
Now, where are you? There.
Can an airplane?
I think we're gonna go. Oh no, there's so many to explore. Right here, and 12. Is this a stronghold? Go here. There's a blaze here. There's a mushroom. Excuse me. So yeah. Put any reminder of these torches, guys, because we're gonna get lost because these spots are just like they're all the same, so you might get lost in here. Like, oh, here's the what do you call these ones? I don't know what this ones, but I know how to make this. So you're gonna go for soul sand, of course. Come on, 12, let's go here. Fly up, and then let's go here. I want to go into the stronghold. Is there any stronghold in here? I'm no but stronghold, guys, so sorry if there's no stronghold in here. I'm just gonna go here. No, there's nothing down. Okay, no, don't go there. It's just a path. Yeah. So like this one, guys, we are lost, and that's why the title of this word is lost. Come on here. Don't want you to get lost. Okay, so there's another blaze spawner right there. Come on here. Hey, which way? Here. Okay, there's nothing here. Let's go back there. Here. Straight.
Oh, sorry, kay
Is this just glowstone? Norway. And there's nothing here. I think this is the stronghold. Sorry guys, I'm just a noob at strongholds. Oh yeah, I think this is. This kinda looks like odd. What's happening here? Oh yeah. I just go outside. Come on here. Just gonna tunnel our way down. There, we're here now. So what's that creepy sound? I heard. Okay, there's no
here.
to left. No, that's where we came from.
Where are you?
I'm here. Oh no, there's nothing. Yeah. Let's
You're
go.
lost.
Let's get out of here. Okay, so this situation, guys, we are lost. Come on here. Okay. So where's the? Oh yeah. So like this situation, guys, we are lost. Oh, where are you? There. We
Here.
are lost. So that's why you're gonna need some like 19. Did I say 19 earlier? Yeah. Just bring 64 obsidian, guys. I recommend it. And then let's build the portal again.
You have this that one.
Torch,
No, not.
the compass.
Yes, we have a
Oh no, you have
compass.
yeah. So that's why recommend you guys to have compass. Cause
Wait for
if you're
me.
gonna build another.
Wait.
Yeah, I know. If you're gonna build another portal or get lost like this one, so let's use the compass right now. Oh no, you exit. You left the game. Oh there. Here, go here. No, here. There. Let's just destroy this. Turn it back again. Come on. Go follow the compass. That's why compass is very useful, guys. Because it's not gonna lose you. Wait for you. Hey, let's just follow the compass. I know this is hard, guys, but this is the one we usually do if we're lost. Just gonna hold some compass, and then we're gonna build another portal, and then we got lost in the nether portal. Come on, follow me. I should see you in front of me. There. No, in front of me. Hey, it's gonna take long. Is this gonna? Oh, hey, there's a spawn.
Yay, we're back. Thank you,
So-
compass.
That's a very useful things you can get in the compass. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Just drop a like if you want more tips and tricks like this one. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. See you all later. Bye. Just gonna not.
You know.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye.